Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and right now I'm wearing the most comfortable top ever. Now this top is from BALEAF and it's in a size medium and the color is teal. I am in love with it. Not only is it comfortable, the fact that the color is so beautiful, I feel like it goes with a ton of my clothes. Whether I'm using it to stretch, to exercise, lounge around the house, or if I want to run errands, this top is ready for anything. The length is perfect for me. It doesn't ride up and it doesn't get too clingy. It's comfortable for cool weather or warm weather, and it makes a fabulous layering piece. The armholes are not too long, they're just right for me. And again, this is a medium and I feel like it fits true to size for me in medium. That's usually my size. So if you're looking for an excellent, perfect length tank top, whether it's part of your exercise equipment or you just want to lounge around the house, this also makes an excellent layering piece. It's comfortable and the color is gorgeous. And that is my point of view.